Let us solve for x and y given x plus y is equal to 12, sy is equal to 40. Here, x plus y is equal to 12. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 40. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, x plus y is equal to 12. Now, let us make x the subject of the formula. X is equal to 12 minus y. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, sy is equal to 40. Now, let us substitute for x, which is 12 minus y. 12 minus y, bracket y, is equal to 40. Let us open the bracket with this y. Y multiplied by 12, this is 12y, minus y multiplied by y square is equal to 40. This can be written as minus y square plus 12y is equal to 40. This is minus y square plus 12y minus 40 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Negative y square divided by negative 1. This is y square. Then positive 12y divided by negative 1. This is negative 12y. And negative 40 divided by negative 1. This is positive 40 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. Y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. From this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 12, c is equal to 40, y is equal to minus bracket minus 12 plus or minus square root of minus 12 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 40 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Y is equal to minus multiplied by minus 12. This is 12 plus or minus square root of minus 12 square. That is 144 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 40. That is 160 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Y is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 160. That is minus 16 divided by 2. And this is the same thing as 12 plus or minus square root of 16 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. Y is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 16 multiplied by square root of minus 1 divided by 2. But square root of minus 1 is equal to I. y is equal to 12 plus or minus I. Square root of 16 is 4 divided by 2. Y is equal to 12 divided by 2 plus or minus 4I divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 6, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Therefore, y1 is equal to 6 plus 2I, and then y2 is equal to 6 minus 2I. These are the values of y. We've gotten the values of y. Let us solve for x. To solve for x, from equation 3, s is equal to 12 minus y. Then x1 is equal to 12 minus y1 is 6 plus 2I. And s2 is equal to 12 minus 6 minus 2I. Then from here we have s1 is equal to 12 minus 6 minus 2I. If you open the bracket with this negative, s1 is equal to 12 minus 6. This is 6 minus 2I. This is the value of s1. And s2 is equal to 12 minus 6 plus 2I. s2 is equal to 12 minus 6. This is 6 plus 2I. This is the value of s2. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 6 minus 2I, 6 plus 2I. s2, y2 is equal to 6 plus 2I, 6 minus 2I. These are the values of s. You can see that the value of s1 here is equal to the value of y2 here. And the value of y1 here is equal to the value of s2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check using s1, y1. To check, we have the given equation s plus y is equal to 12. Sy is equal to 40. Let us consider this. S plus y, this is 6 plus 2I plus 6 minus 2I must be equal to 12. This cancel this. 6 plus 6, this is 12, is equal to 12, which is true. Let us consider this. Sy is 6 plus 2I multiplied by 6 minus 2I must be equal to 40. 6 times 6, this is 36, minus 6 times 2I, this is 12I, plus 2I multiplied by 6, that is 12I, then 2I multiplied by minus 2I, that is minus 4I square, must be equal to 40. This cancel this. We have 36 minus 4 multiplied by I square is equal to minus 1, must be equal to 40. This is 36 minus 4 multiplied by minus 1, that is plus 4, must be equal to 40. 36 plus 4, this is 40, is equal to 40, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.